Bro, there's a fucking hole. Bro, we're gonna find it. Oh my fucking days. Nah, I don't think we can get in from here. It's pretty blocked in. Don't make too much noise. Nah, we might have to go from the other side. There's like cars and shit. Now we have to go to the open door that was there.
Bro, but that's sketchy.
Wait. Oh my bro, what the fuck? No, what the fuck? How do you fucking open this shit? Turn on the flashlight. Turn it off. What the fuck? You can't see shit. If someone goes, we just go in there. No, there's like people there.
Oh yeah, they just partying. It's not budging.
It's like jammed. It has to jammed in. But what type of door is this? I've never seen a door like this.
It's not budging.
Yeah, it's like jammed in. Wait, let me see the other side.